Build OS Android v7.0 Nougat. Dimensions 156.7 by 78.8 by 8.1 millimeters. Weight 179 grams. SIM, dual standby, nano SIM. Colors black, gold. Frequency 2G band SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band SPA 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE band 1 2100, 3 1800, 5 850, 8 900, 2800, 42300. Processor CPU 2.4 GHz octa-core Cortex-A53. Chipset MediaTek MT6757 Helio P20. GPU Mali T880 MP2. Display technology IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 5.7 inches. Resolution 1080 by 1920 pixels, ~386 ppi. Memory built-in 32 GB built-in, 4 GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 256 GB. Camera main 13MP, autofocus, LED flash. Features f/1.7, smart glow ring, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, panorama, HDR, video, 1080p at 30 fps. Front 13MP, f/1.9, LED flash. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Bluetooth v4.2 with A2DP, LA. GPS Yes plus a GPS support and GLONASS. Radio not yet confirmed. USB microSD 2.0, USB on the go. NFC yes. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G, HSPA 42.25.76 Mbps, 4G, LTE Cat 4 150 Mbps. Features sensors accelerometer, compass, fingerprint, front-mounted, proximity. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, MP3/WAV/EAC+/FLAC player, MP4/DivX/SVID/H.265 player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch yes. Extra active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, photo, video editor, document editor. Battery capacity, Li-ion non-removable, 3300 mAh. Standby up to 20 hours. Music play up to 72 hours.